All right, so I'm still working on the Coolflow fan. On the instructions, the only instruction is to install the switch is here, where it says C figure 7 install fan switch. It says install to the left side of the dash panel. It should be installed in the far right slot. Okay. So after reading all that, what that means is the switch needs to go on this side, but you see I already have that there. So this connector here was in the dummy plug here. So once I took this out of here, that was plugged in. So this is the actual connector, which it was saying. And it was saying the far right side, so I guess that goes in there like that. And so now, when I hit it, you'll see, of course the fan isn't running. But now I get fan auto, fan off, and fan on. So let's turn it back on auto. So now it looks like I just have to reroute that cable to this side, or either move those switches over here, one or the other, whichever one gonna be easier. And while I'm here, I'll show you my air suspension for the front. So you see you got the tubes here, which go to both forks. Your main line comes out back here. I'm sure it just goes along the frame. Comes out and goes to one of these, I guess that one. But yeah, so I got the Coolflow fan installed. Just gotta fix my switches and I'll be good.